A full brake job, with pads and rotors, usually runs you about $400 to $900 per axle, depending on your car and where you get it done. Let's say the cheapest option for me right now would be $800 to replace all my rotors and brakes. You can save a lot of money if you just DIY it. A rotor job doesn't require expensive tools, but having the right ones makes the process smooth. I got these front and rear drilled slotted brake rotors and ceramic brake pads kit from Amazon for only $150. Here are the tools you'll need for your project: a floor jack and jack stands, a socket set, a breaker bar, a torque wrench that can reach at least 200 feet-pound, a C-clamp, an impact driver, a hammer or mallet, a screwdriver set, and a plier set, and an axle socket, based on your axle size. Before you start anything, safety first. Make sure you park on a flat surface and set the parking brake. Don't forget your eye protection. And always use jack stands under solid frame or pinch weld points. Never just rely on the jack. Remove the lug nuts and pull the wheel off. Find the caliper slide bolts on the back of the caliper. Take out both bolts and lift the caliper off, preferably. Hang the caliper with a bungee cord or make sure it's not hanging freely by the hose. Remove the brake pads out of the bracket. Remove the brake pad clips. Take off the caliper bracket bolts. They're usually the tightest ones. Remove the bracket and put it aside. Remove the cotter pin. Remove the axle nut for my 2012 Hyundai Sonata. It requires a 32mm socket. Take out these two small M6 tapered screws. If they're stuck, spray them with WD-40 oil. If you strip the screw like me, even with WD-40, don't worry. You can use a star head bit and hammer it in, then try to unscrew it. The rotor should pull right off the hub, but if it's stuck, tap the rotor hat with a hammer while rotating it around the hub. Remove the old one and replace it with the new one. According to the factory service manual, The front axle nut on a 2012 Hyundai Sonata should be torqued to 159 to 188 pounds. Put the cotter pin in and bend it. Bolt the caliper bracket back on the knuckle and torque it to spec between 60 and 70 pounds. Apply brake grease on any metal-on-metal contact area. Clip in the new pad clips. Install the new brake pads. Compress the caliper piston using a C-clamp. You can use a wrench for more leverage. Once the piston's all the way in, swing the caliper over the pads, then install and torque the slide bolts to 26 pounds. Put the wheel back on and hand thread the lug nuts. Now screw it all the way in a star pattern so it tightens evenly. Take off the jack stands and lower it all the way. Torque the lug nuts between 80 and 90 pounds in a star pattern. Now just repeat the same process to the other 3 rotors. You just save hundreds on your brakes and rotors replacement. If you learned something new, please consider following for more outdoor and DIY projects. Thank you for watching.